Now we'll start with question number 3. As shown in adjoining figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Let's start with the solution. Now here AB represents bigger pole and PR represents smaller pole. And CB and QR are the shadows of these poles respectively. CB and QR are the shadows of the pole respectively. Now we can say triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. Since vertical poles and their shadows form a similar figure. There is small correction. Actually, this is point C and this is point B, which is given in the question. Now we can say, as both triangles are similar, now we can form a ratio. First we will write the ratio of bases of both triangles. So base of this bigger triangle is BC and base of this smaller triangle is QR, which is equal to, now we will take the ratio of height. Now again, height of bigger triangle is AC and height of the smaller triangle is PR. Now we'll just simply substitute the values. Now BC is what we have to find. Write that X, length of QR is given, that is 6, which is equal to BC is given, so we write 8, and PR is also given, so we write here 4. Now 6, which is multiplying here, on another side of equal to sign, it is going to divide. Or in another way, we can say that multiplying both sides by 6, which is more accurate. Then X is equal to, then 6 will get cancelled with 6, and here on right side also we will multiply by 6. So here 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So here ratio will become 2 upon 1, and this 2 will multiply to 6, therefore value of X will become 12. Now all the units lengths are given in meters, so we call length of base of this bigger triangle is will be also in meters, so we call it as 12 meter. Therefore shadow of bigger pole is of length 12 meter. I will start with question number 4. So here is our question. In triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC. The next thing is given that BQ is perpendicular to AC. On segment BPC, and we have one more segment AQC. Now we have to prove that triangle CPA, that is this, which is right angle triangle, is similar to triangle CQB, which is also a right angle triangle. Now if the further question is, length of AP is given, that is 7, length of BQ is also given, BQ is 8, BC is given, which is 12, and we have to find length of AC. So first we need to show that these both triangles are similar. Therefore, first we will check whether these triangles are similar or not. So we will start with in triangle CPA. So in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. So if we observe this, in triangle CPA we have angle P which is of measure 90 degree, and in triangle CQB here also we have angle Q which is of measure 90 degree. So we can say that these two angles are congruent. Therefore, angle CQB, which is congruent to angle CPA, and the reason is angles are of measure 90 degree. We have one more angle which is congruent, which is angle C, because angle C is a part of triangle CPA also, and this is the same angle which is part of triangle CQB also. Therefore, angle QCB is congruent to angle ACP, and the reason is common angle. Now obviously here we have got two angles which are congruent. Therefore we can say that these both triangles are similar by angle, that is AA test. Therefore we will say triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA test of similarity. As both triangles are similar, so obviously their sides will be also in ratio. Therefore, first we will write ratio of the hypotenuse. So we will write AC, which is the hypotenuse of triangle APC, and the hypotenuse of the second triangle is BC. Same way, we will take a ratio of height of both triangles. So height of first triangle APC is AP upon height of this triangle CQB is QB, and the reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles. So we'll just simply substitute the values. If we have to find length of AC, we'll keep this AC as it is. We have a length of BC is 12, which is equal to length of AP is also given, which length of AP is 7 upon length of QB, which is 8. Now this 12 will multiply on another side. So this AC will be equal to 7 upon 8 into 12. Now 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21 and half of 21 is 10.5. Therefore AC is 10.5. The unit is not given, so we will write here units.